Here we go, another old one. Old brothers. Come on, Sam Meister, we got one more cake left. Who's got a light?
We'll go shoot it. There's a punk right there. Marvin.
Come on, punk, light this thing.
Melvin, Marvin.
Just hit the, come on, hold still, light it.
On your foot.
Okay.
We should light that green fusee. Where is that? That's go get that green fusee.
Hey, give me the punk.
Oh, it is? Okay. Well, light it. You can light these shells with it. That would only be appropriate. Roast that cake into submission. Yep.
Well, I bet that would look great by the case.
Look at how well that burns. 45 years old. Oh yeah, there's one over here.
You know, that's not as hard to look at as the red one.
It is.
That's much pleasant to look at than the red ones.
Good deal. Give me 2 and you take 2. Load him up! Wait. There you go. Mike.
There's one more in the box then.
We need to reenact the case for you.
You will never do it.